Hey guys, okay, we're gonna be a bad bird. Okay, a bad mean bird. Yeah. What are all the bad things I could use? But I don't want them. I want this one. Cause I can spin it, you know? Just keep spinning it. Hey, whoo! What's So, gotta be a secret bird too. Gotta take the most obvious way.
Ongoing. Address in progress. Report to the main square.
Okay, just in case the police see me.
Almost there.
Stab me! Stab me! Give me your money! Yep, spin! Ooh,
Crosswalk
okay.
says wait, I will.
Spin! Okay, we gotta go rob someone. Since the ATM won't work for me. Stupid ATM, then I'll break it. If I can't get the money, then no one should. Yeah, oh, oops. What? Can I not climb walls anymore? Okay, good. Step, even though there's poop on it now. Get off.
Step.
Okay. Who's running first? Ah,
Red means
my
mini
bird
brain.
family is in trouble. Gotta go.
Side
Gotta
streets
see.
look
Stride loosens the knots.
No, you see me. Gotta go. Go.
Fetch things.
Move them feet. You don't see me. I knocked one on the map. Come at me.
Come.
Oh. Wait, get hide.
Stand by.
Okay, let's fight me.
Search ends here. Fall back.
Stop barking at my friend. Alright, you got to come through to give me all your money. What's up, buddy? Oh, hold on. Obviously, you have to take that first. Come at me. I'll defend ya, bird. Only the birds are okay to defend. The humans are who I want to rob. Go, fly, little birdie, fly. Can't let anyone see you. Into a dumpster. Hey, what's up?
Okay, hide and seek champion, you win.
Hide and seek champion. I don't know about that. Okay, guess we're switching. What we got? Get over! Get robbed! Suckers. Ooh, God. Okay, that's a good gun.
Finding this storyline.
Here to go. Hostage! Get over here! Ugh. Ah, stupid walls. Okay, guys, talk to my secret agent.
Right, moving on.
Hey, buddy. You got the money?
Leave it open.
Come on, where's the money? Stop shaking your butt. Give me the money. That's what I thought. What? Now they're coming. Back to my secret base. Get pooped on. Oh, ouch. Alright, we need the best gun. And I don't know about that one.
Call it. Stand easy.
Okay, we're definitely gonna need a bomb though. We're taking the ninja sword. Here we go. Bombs away, sucker! Come at me. Ah, we gotta go. Go to the dark alleyways. Good thing there's humans. They can't really do anything. Come, I'll get him. I use my stabby on you. Okay, gotta look both ways. Ooh. I lurk in the dark. Think you could escape from me? No, not possible. I see you, Papa.
We got outbirded again.
Okay, maybe as soon as they least expect it. The hot dog man see me. Ugh. You blew my cover, man. You made me freak out.
You from
Oh no, we got a hostage now. Wait, my nabby, my stabbing knife. Ah, and a hot dog. I need one of them. Whatever. You know what? You're gonna become a hostage then. I need a hostage. You're gonna squirt. I will drop it. One more person shoot at me. I dare you. I told you one more person. Hey, buddy, you're making the person start. Hey, I just tried to help you. Bad human. Bad human. Bad human.
You are not good.
Gotta go.
Right here.
Leave it.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Hope you duck.
Hands
Got a
up.
problem with me? I think he's got a problem with me.
Go somewhere else.
Boom! I should have killed you. Hey, what's up, buddy?
Just burned calories.
Ah,
Might
thank
be
you.
shredded.
Hungry? I'm. Wee. I think it's supposed to be an uncover one, but who cares? It's hot dog free. Okay. None of you were needed. But you. We're gonna need
Okay,
you.
hide and seek champion. You win.
Okay, we gotta go fast. 3. Okay, let's go back. To our sweet home. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna grab a bomb again. Come at me. Hey, give me my knife back.
The noise music.
So you think it's funny to be mean to birds? I see how it is. I got you, buddy. Oh, I forgot you were down there. Actually. I'm coming. I got you. I won't let anyone get you. Ah, boom! Go free my birdie. Fly off! Hey, what's up, guys? Get into the dark alleys again.
Strutting like a gun.
Gonna go. Yeah, what's up, guys? Dark alleys. Spy lurk at the dark alleys. Ooh, gotta go. Okay, I know she's coming. Just in case she is, I'm gonna start climbing this wall. Definitely could never be human. Scary.
Quiet. Return.
Okay, whew. Now let's go back to robbing the hot dog man, because for some reason my favorite person to rob. But not this one. We already robbed him. He's no longer.
If I look determined.
Pop its tires. Pop! Oh, I missed. Gotta get the cop's tires.
Stride so clean the
There's our
pin
cop. Oh, we missed. Just right.
Reality's buffering. Walk slower.
Hey, what's up?
All set. Legs on autopilot.
Yeah,
Brain on
yeah.
air. Run.
Now.
Hey! Give me your money! Ugh. I bet you should stuff. for the shady people. Go. They all live back here. Good place to live, but they do. Okay, we just gotta wait till my bar goes down so I can rob them. Or technically, they have to give me money. Because they help me do shady things and I need my money for it. Ooh.
Search ends here. Fall back.
Okay, where's the first guy? He's already on the phone.
Where that lamppost
I
moved.
came prepared with nothing.
All right, buddies. I
Want
know
to
you're
slip
on the
something to
phone
eat?
trying to do things, but I'll give you the kind of free. Oh, well, forgot the count. I told them I'd give them the count of free. Hey, give me my monies. Monies. Ugh. Go. We're in hiding now. Ooh. Just in case anyone sees me, guy. Oh, I see. Y'all want to fight. Y'all owe me money. Good thing there's no cops over here. Ugh. You too, buddy. Seen you want to fight me earlier. Ow.
Think fast.
I've already friends in trouble. Gotta save them. Hey, what's up, guys?
Lock.
Boom, boom. Get the light. Dang, it's not in the alleys. More shady things can happen over here. Here's shady guy. Hey, buddy. Hey, what did I tell you about this stuff earlier? I told you I'd let you go if you didn't do it. Okay, read it. Go for you, buddy. Gotta go. Into the fence.
Lost contact. Returning to patrol.
Eyes up. Pace on.
I got you know.
Keep going.
That's enough.
Cops over here. But I need my.
Fuck off.
Like this in a second. You too. Hey. Gotta practice my ninja skills. Very good. I can tell how good I am. Ooh, I missed. Ooh, I missed again. Got it.
We got
Now
outburst
go free.
again.
Alright, one last shady business to
Sidewalk's
do.
behaving nice. Skirting the construction corners.
Okay,
Skirting the construction core. Shoes good.
where's he at?
That's fine. Let's pivot to
Not
plan
you,
B.
you're bum. Around what?
Straight ahead.
Ooh, that's still a lot of money I see. That I probably left behind.
Palm Street.
Give me your money. Okay, time to go. Oh, my nephew. They won't be scared of me. But scared of me without my nephew? Gotta get him. Right here.
Maybe later.
He is the sucker. You. Stop being scared of him. Be a man. Beat him up. But, yeah, whatever. You owe me money. Oh, there you go free. I guess I technically got my money, but not how I wanted it to be. Hostage now. Get him away. Here. Alright, guys. Our last hostage, our last person has been done. Mwah. Now we're gonna blow this place up. Landmine.
Okay, hide and seek champion, you win.
Well, yeah. Hello. We're gonna blow that thing up. No! No! What just happened? Oopsie. Oh, bye guys.